In this video we will learn how to add an employee in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Employee module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Employee List Form. Click on the Add New Employee button to add a new request. The form is segregated into tabs. Fill the details in General Information tab like name, mobile number, email and login information. In next tab, additional information for employee will be filled like gender, marital status, bank info, employee contact and emergency contact info, government registrations, academic and work history. Next tab is of company information where employee mapping will be defined, also appointment info. Next, Employee Documents tab, if required documents can be uploaded. Next is Employee Asset tab, if required map assets to employee. In the last tab, salary information will be filled like payroll setup, allowance and deduction, and salary of employee. Click on a Save button to submit your Create an Employee. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. After the submission, system will show a pop-up to map a schedule for employee. If required, select from drop-down and click Save button, else click on Cross button to map the schedule later.